Texas Instruments' new AM65X evaluation module is a general-purpose board to evaluate the Sotara AM65X processor. It can be used for developing a wide variety of industrial applications. The board is built around the AM6548 processor and comes complete with an SD card interface, 4 GB of DDR4 with ECC, 16 GB of eMMC, 512 megabits OSPI flash, CSI2 interface, a USB 3 and a USB 2 port, a 1-lane PCIe Gen 3 connector, 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, and a 10-inch capacitive touchscreen LCD. The AM65X EVM comes with free support of the TI Processor SDK, which includes Linux, RT Linux, TI RTOS, and Android operating systems, and is also supported by various ecosystem partners who offer other tools and software. The EVM is available today. Visit the link on your screen to get yours and start developing now.